Is it a surprise that California's housing market is going down in flames? It's not a surprise. We all know how expensive California is. We all know the affordability of housing in California is ridiculous.
Did you hear that?
Ridiculous. We all know that. When houses prices shot up to the moon 6 months to 2 years ago, in one of the biggest booms of the housing market, it's no shock that it had to come down. And don't forget, guys, I have a Christmas sale going on, 40% off for my real estate investing beginner course. Check it out. I will have it in the description. Also, I will have it pinned in the comment section. Well, guys. We are here. My name is Orlando and welcome to the channel, guys. Let's jump into it. It says California's housing market is cooling off faster than any other US state, even though it's still really costly to buy a home there. Like I just said, guys, everybody knows it's super expensive to buy a home in California. San Diego, San Francisco, LA, it's not a surprise. Everybody knows you're gonna get a small square footage home for millions and millions of dollars.
It's trash.
I don't even know how most people in California even afford those type of houses. It just seems mind-boggling that a piece of land with wood on top of it would cost millions and millions of dollars for 900 square feet. You gotta remember, guys, some people are paid $1.2, $1.3 million for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Isn't that crazy?
Sounds bad. It is bad.
Probably no garage. Probably no backyard. All of the things that you would normally want in a home, you don't get in California, and you're paying over $1 million for it.
Let me buy the house.
Housing affordability tanked in California this year. Duh. It's always been unaffordable, but it says, but the state's high home prices have also led to it witnessing some of the biggest drop in median sales prices since much of the US housing market peaked earlier this year. Indeed, data provided by Insider from Zillow shows that California has more cities in the list of the top metro areas with the biggest drop in sales prices than any other state. Once again, when things go up super high, guys, you have to understand that the drop is going to be big. And this is the reason why I point out areas like Las Vegas. I point out areas like Boise. I point out areas like Austin. I point out areas like Miami.
You really did it.
Those areas, guys, California is no different. When you have this high appreciation in an area, you're going to see big dips down. That's just the way the cycle goes. So if you're in an area where you have seen prices go up 40, 50%, and you're thinking to yourself, when are these prices gonna drop? When are they going to drop? Let me tell you this. They're going to drop. Matter of fact, some of these areas have already seen significant drops, but do they still have more to go down? Because these homes are still overpriced. And what is the mantra on this channel, guys? Do not overpay. And you do not want to jump into this housing market during the winter time when things are kind of inactive, demand is down. You want to wait until the beginning of the year when things start cranking back up and everyone's getting active. That's when the real action is going to happen, guys. That's when prices will drop down even further. It says here, according to stats, San Francisco, San Jose, San Diego, Los Angeles, Sacramento, and Oxnard, which is located near Ventura, have all seen home prices fall more than 5% from the peak values earlier this year. In addition, Stockton has seen its median price drop by 4.8%. Now, let's take a look at some of these, guys. This is the key stuff that you guys need to see, the drops in these areas. Now let's take a look. Okay, we see Austin, video coming up, but Austin has been hammered, guys. Austin is at the top of this list because everyone was moving from California and moving into Austin, moving into Texas. We had a lot of, Silicon Valley 2.0 really going on in Austin, and that brought a lot of people into that area, and home prices skyrocketed up.
Profit.
So when you see prices go up, of course, there's going to be the drop. We see it here on this chart. They're down 10.2%, guys, 10.2. We see San Francisco here down by 8.2, San Jose 7.5, San Diego 7.1. We see Los Angeles 5.8. We see Sacramento 5.8 also. And then you just continue to go down and down and down. And you start to see most of these cities on this chart here, most of them are California. And that is because California had that super high peak. And of course, like I said, the cycle goes back around, guys. And don't forget, California has one of the most restricted areas where you can build. Builders and developers have a very, very, very hard time trying to build more units in California because of all the red tape that you have to go through to develop. So what happens when you have a constrictive government that won't allow you to build unless you go through red tape and spend more and more and more and more money?
Plus, spending money.
Well, the prices of the home have to go up. Along with we have inflation, the materials are going to cost more too. So you're kind of keeping the prices of the home to be a super high price because of all of these things. All of these things, you have to understand, developers will pass the buck on to you and probably add a little bit more to the price when they have to go through all of that trouble to build communities. And along with the high inflation that is going on right now, it is a killer for the market. And when you have no demand that has dropped and fell off of a cliff in California, prices, no matter what, have to come down. And we're seeing that with these developers giving you all types of amenity packages and saying,
hey guys, look, I know, we tried to oversell you and make you overpay for a home and by 30, 40, 50,000, but hey, look, times have changed. And now we want to give you that 20, 30,000 we were trying to overpay. We're going to give it to you now in amenities for free.
But if I were you guys, I would say, well, if you're going to give me those amenities for free, why don't you just drop the price? Drop the price instead of making it the same price and then saying you're going to give me these free amenities. I'm not dumb.
Exactly.
That's what these developers are doing. In order to close on a home purchase in California, the typical buyer would need to earn a minimal annual income of $192,800. That's $200,000. Let's just say it. $200,000 is the minimum that you can make in California to afford a home. Let that sink in. $200,000.
Insane.
Beyond insane. No wonder there is an affordability issue in California. It doesn't help when prices stay the same or go up and interest rates go up too, because as interest rates go up, that minimum that you have to make to afford a home goes up, and up. So we take a look at San Francisco. This was put up 3 days ago on Zillow here. A 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 880 square feet, guys. 880 square feet. What is this property going for? 1.1, basically $1.2 million. Insane. Let's continue on. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,200 square feet. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I get an extra 400 square feet. But I'm going to pay for it. $1.5 million. The deal of the century here. A new construction, 556 square feet. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It looks like it's a condo, and you can get that for $600,000. That's right, you heard it. A sweet deal of $600,000 to live inside of a cardboard box. Interesting. I mean, I think that's about the size of a garage. Maybe it's a little bit smaller than a garage, a 2-car garage. You would think? I don't know. It's pretty small for you to pay $600,000. $600,000. It's insane. It's insane. Let's go to a big one here, guys. You get 2,780 square feet, a 3-bedroom, 5 bathrooms, and all you have to pay is $6 million. $6 million for that, guys. That's rich. That's rich. That's rich.
rich.
The point I'm trying to make is, it's no secret that California is unaffordable and prices will continue to drop. And this is the reason why you need to sit on the sidelines and wait it out. When you're looking at markets like San Francisco, LA, and you're seeing these drops happen all over the state, you should know that you're going in the right direction and you shouldn't go in and buy early, right? You shouldn't buy at this exact time. You need to wait it out, see exactly what's gonna happen at the end of this year, the beginning of next year. And that's just my opinion. Once again, do the research yourself, guys. Make sure you look at your local market and figure out what's best for you and your family. But look, you won't get all the information off of this one video. Buying real estate, get into your first rental property, selling your home, financial news, they're all here. So make sure you watch this video here to get all of that good information. See you on the next one. Thanks.